Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the QR code on statements. Having QR codes on statements benefits not only the debtor with safer and more efficient methods of payments, but also the practice. Collect payments from outstanding accounts quicker by having the debtor scan the QR code and pay through the provided portal. This allows for a quicker payment process where online payment can be made instead of having the debtor come into the practice. For the purpose of this video, we'll be starting on a previously generated statement. A QR code will appear at the bottom of the statement, but only once the payment link has been issued to the debtor or patient. This enables the outstanding account to be settled simply, securely, and instantly. Using your mobile device, you're able to scan the QR code. The scanned QR code will redirect you to the myGC website, where you can either type your ID number or surname to verify your identity. Then you can tap on the Continue button to proceed. A payment screen will open where you'll be able to view each invoice on the statement. Please note that you're able to tap on each invoice line to view the line items that were billed. In order to make payment, all you have to do is tap on the Pay All Outstanding button to proceed to the secure payment platform.